Hi guys, welcome back to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about code for medication omission during implementation station. So in the context of NMC OSCE, medication omission is a critical issue that can arise during clinical scenarios. It actually involves deliberately not administering a prescribed medication for a valid reason. Now let's see the code for the omission of due medication. Code 1, medicine unavailable, inform doctor or the pharmacist. Code 2, patient of ward. Code 3, self-administration. Code 4, unable to administer, inform the doctor, alternate route required. Code 5, start dose given. Code 6, prescription incorrect or unclear. Code 7, patient refused. Code 8, nil by mouth on doctor's instructions only. Code 9, low pressure or low pulse. Code 10, other states in nursing notes including action taken. Memorizing the medication codes is not mandatory. They are available on the prescription chart. However, it is advisable to familiarize yourself with each code. If you choose to memorize them, you may do so, but always ensure you are using the correct code by referencing the prescription chart before the documentation. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel for more videos. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.